one of the things that you should be aware of is when you cut a long layer, whether it be a vertical layer or long layer or short layer or a round layer, one of the things you need to do is you need to know the two different hand positions. One of them is the hand position in which I'm showing you here, where I'm taking the hair out and my fingertips are up towards the ceiling here. So the idea of putting your body position, you still have to stand to the side of this so you can see it. You want to make sure that you're in the center of both your sections, and you want to come out to the length you want on top and then cut your layer. The other position, which is a totally different body position, and I'm going to get around here, is if I'm going to do this with my fingertips down, you'll see I can still cut the same haircut, but I think I'm out of, there we go. I can do this, but look at where my body is standing compared to where I was before. Now you might say, Mr. A, which one is the right way? Well, they're both right. And as a good hairdresser, if you want to be a great freaking hairdresser, what you need to do is you need to be able to manipulate both of these techniques. So when you talk about doing this or the other part, you should be able to do both. So what we're going to do is we're going to come out here today, we're going to bring out a section of hair, and we're going to cut this down. And as I said earlier, I'm not going to go straight. I'm coming slightly outward with this guideline. Of course, I want to make sure that this haircut does not cut into my length down at the bottom. So again, you could see that the bottom lengths fall out of my hand before I cut. Now, what if I wanted to make this haircut heavier towards the bottom? Well, it's very simple. I take my initial guideline, which I just did, I'm going to follow it, but if I did decide I wanted to change this haircut to be a little bit heavier towards the bottom, let's say my client has finer hair or something, what I could do is rather than bringing it out like this, I can follow my guideline up top here, look for my guide, cut it off, and then when it comes down to the bottom section of this haircut, what tells me I can't just take this and lift it way up here to cut? You see how that would work? Now, by doing that, by lifting it way up high, more hair is going to fall out down there and we will cut less hair. Again, I didn't decide to do that. I just want to share you guys the ideas of how you go about hair cutting, where you want to leave more hair or get rid of more hair is a manner in which we just pull the hair higher or shift it farther, and that's the whole basis of hair cutting.